Hi, welcome back. Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today, let's change the battery in this Michael Kors watch. These are very popular, very common, and we'll go through the step-by-step to put a new battery in and get it going again. So, with some watches, screws hold the bezel back, but this is one that's threaded in place, and we need to have a tool like this or like this. And these we can set the pins, and I have various size pins based on the need, and in this case I set the pins and we're going to unscrew the back of the watch. So by loosening this knob and moving that pin back and forth, you can get the exact location, then put it in the slots that are in the back and turn it. And once you get it going, then this back will come off. And there'll be an O-ring in there we need to protect, and then we should be able to see the battery. I've never taken this one off, so I'm interested in seeing what's here. Okay, there's the back. And there's the battery. Now, we have to be careful with the battery because it's got this little spring that holds it in place, and we need to protect that. Okay, so we're going to put a very fine tip screwdriver underneath the battery, lift it up, so that we can get it out. There it is. So this battery is an AG6, and we'll get a new one to replace it. So here are some AG6 batteries, various brands. We'll just pop one out. But before we put it in, let's test it to be sure it's okay. You can get one of these inexpensive battery testers, and we should be able to test that battery here. Oh, and yeah, see, it's good. So I've got a good battery here. You literally put it underneath the edge of that spring, just push it in place, and that's it. And we'll look at the second hand. You can see the second hand moving, so that's good. Bezel looks good. We'll just see if we can start threading this gently on back in place. And usually goes in pretty well. So there it's going. And then once we've got it snug, use our tool again. Put it in there. Tighten it. So I'm going to just show you where the little indentations we use for this tool, get those pins in that spot, one on each side, and we can tighten this or loosen it. So there's the replacement of the battery for the Michael Kors watch. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please click thumbs like. It helps the channel a lot. Consider subscribing. Thank you.